3, 2, 1.
Once upon a time in the heart of the enchanted forest, there lived a sly and cunning fox named Felix. Felix was known far and wide for his clever schemes and mischievous pranks. One day, as he strolled through the woods, he spotted a colorful bird perched on a branch, tweeting a cheerful tune. The bird, a lively creature named Benny, was blissfully unaware of Felix's reputation. With a mischievous glint in his eye, Felix decided it was time for some fun. "Hey, Benny," he called out with a sly grin. "Did you know that birds are the best singers in the forest?" Benny, fluffing his feathers proudly, replied, "Well, of course. We birds are renowned for our melodious voices. Why do you ask?" Felix chuckled. "Oh, I was just thinking I could teach you a thing or two about singing. How about a little friendly competition?" Benny, always up for a challenge, agreed without hesitation. Little did he know, Felix had a devious plan in mind. The duo gathered a small audience of forest critters to witness the musical showdown. Felix cleared his throat dramatically and began a bizarre rendition of bird calls, mixing in meows, barks, and even a few human sneezes. The forest creatures exchanged puzzled glances, unsure of what they were witnessing. Benny, undeterred, started singing a beautiful, harmonious melody. The audience erupted in applause for Benny, but Felix wasn't ready to concede defeat. "Ah, but wait," he exclaimed, pulling out a kazoo from behind his back. With a mischievous twinkle in his eye, he added kazoo noises to Benny's song, turning the beautiful melody into a comical symphony. The forest creatures burst into laughter, and even Benny couldn't help but join in. It turned out that Felix's ridiculous addition made the performance even more entertaining. The two unlikely friends continued their musical collaboration, creating a laughter-filled harmony that echoed through the enchanted forest for days to come. And so, in the heart of the woods, the fox and the bird taught the animals a valuable lesson. Sometimes, the best music is the one that makes you smile.